Fine, let's start. So, can we have a small introduction?
Yes, sir. Okay, but I am Agnish Batabyal from I am from Ghatal, Paschim Mednipur, and I, mane, I just given my sixth sem exam from Narendrapur Ramakrishna Mission Residential College.
Okay.
So that's all. What more? I don't know what to say.
So, how was your undergrad? Like, it's not yet completed, but how did you like it? How was on the food?
It's it's a different kind of experience. It's like it's not like other hostel lives. এরকম is always Maharaj there. They are always inspecting on you. You just always have to check in.
Yep, perfect, always. Okay, so how was your academic? It's good. Like, how did you like statistics?
Not that good, but वैसा ওরকম I had SGPAs or like 9.23.
Okay, so and that's a very good SGPA. Besides that, do you love statistics?
Obviously like it.
So, what do you like about it?
Initially, though, just I liked the mathematics part, but when I read the subjects, when dig deep into this, and after these 3 years inference.
Okay, so let's start with a very basic problem. Okay, I mean, it's not very inference or rigorous statistics, but more of a data driven. Okay, so suppose I give you, I mean, I just want you to know the intuition of how you go about when you look at the data. So, say I give you some n observations, x1 to xn. Fine. And also, so you can think that there are two samples, x1 to xn and y1 to yn. Okay. Say n equal to 20, x1 to 20, y1 to 20. Now, to form it a real life problem, so maybe x1 is your height and yi is your weight. I mean, a weight of students in some class. Fine. So now if I ask you to check whether what how should I put it? Yeah, whether the mean are same or not. Okay. So of course there's some mistake that I give. It's like it should not be xi is height, yi is weight because you cannot compare them. So maybe you can take for class 1 you have x1 to x20 be marks of some uh, course, maybe inference, and for class 2 you have again y1 to y20 with some marks of inference score. Now I ask you to compare which class has done better. Okay. So how will you formulate the problem? What should be your first thought? And okay, I'm giving you one more condition. You can use normality. Sure.
Then I would like to just compare their means and just uh, form a taste. x bar equal to y bar versus x bar greater than or less than y bar.
But here's a question. Do you think that the first step should be just formulating the test with respect to means?
Not like, I have to check the data first.
Yeah, I mean, I have given you some conditions also. I have said that x1 to x20 is marks of class 1, y1 to y20 is marks of class 2, and I've also told you that you can use normality. And the question is, how will you check that? Say, suppose my claim is class 1 has done better than class 2. So, how will you proceed? And what you answered is you will try to formulate some mean testing. But my question is that you have to do, but is that the first step to do?
What else? Just
What are the okay, let me, if I suppose also that is the first step, then do you have any assumption before doing that step?
it's like I will assume the standard deviations are same as they are normally distributed.
Okay, so
And then say x1s are, if x1s are from some normal mu1 comma sigma square distribution and y's are from some normal mu2 comma sigma square distribution.
now here's the question is,
Mu1
suppose you cannot assume, then what you do?
standard deviation.
Yeah, suppose you cannot assume.
Then what do I do?
Nish, it would be better if you write these things. So if you share the screen and write this, that will be better for you.
So here it's saying only hosts can share screen.
So are you here?
Array, from where to share screen?
Just a second. Shashi sir? Shashi sir? Just a second, let me call him. हेलो हाँ सर वो स्क्रीन शेयरिंग का एक्सेस चाहिए थोड़ा दे दीजिए उसको ओह अच्छा सर सॉरी सर हाँ no sir is coming
हाँ शेयर करो आप
Here it's saying only the host can share in this meeting.
ओके ओके मैं आपको होस्ट बना देता हूँ
वो होस्ट एक्सेस दे दीजिए उसको मिल जाएगा
हाँ हाँ ओके यू कैन शेयर वो लेफ्ट हो गया ना?
हम्म।
वो वॉशरूम चला गया था मैं।
ओह अच्छा। वो आते आपको, आप उसको को होस्ट एक्सेस दे दीजिए, नहीं तो आप भी कुछ कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाएंगे।
हाँ हाँ। इस बार मुझे लग रहा है कि उनको काफी डिसाइड करने में दिक्कत होने वाला है। सारे बच्चों का इंटरव्यू बेहतर जा रहा है, उन लोगों से भी बात किया तो उन लोगों
हम्म।
के लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग होने वाला है। क्योंकि आज जब फ्रेशर देखा जाए, जैसे इंटरव्यू पहली टाइम फर्स्ट टाइम कोई देता है,
हम्म।
उसके अकॉर्डिंग इन लोगों का परफॉर्मेंस बेहतर माना जाएगा,
हाँ वो तो है।
क्योंकि एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है।
डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर तो डिसाइड तो वो लोग नहीं करते, इट्स ऑल अबाउट मार्क्स।
हाँ, माना मार्क्स देंगे तो मार्क्स बहुत क्लोज रह जाएगा ना इंटरव्यू का। अब
हाँ
बात
तो
रहेगी
उससे तो फायदा
पीएसए
नहीं
और
होगा ना,
पीएसबी।
पीएस से पीएस भी फैक्टर कर जाएगा।
हाँ
तो रैंक मतलब आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो, अगर कोई पीएचडी का इंटरव्यू होता है तब ठीक है कि इसको लेना है या उसको लेना है।
हाँ हाँ।
और यहाँ आई डोंट थिंक दैट विल बी अ प्रॉब्लम।
मेक होस्ट, होस्ट
मेक
का ही
को
ऑप्शन आ रहा है, को होस्ट का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है।
ओ अच्छा।
Can you see this, sir?
नो यू सी।
नहीं,
Anything?
ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं दिख रहा।
क्या दिख रहा है फिर?
कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा। शेयर इंटायर स्क्रीन।
हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हो?
मीन्स आप क्या टैब यूज कर रहे हो कि लैपटॉप यूज कर रहे हो? मीन्स क्या है आपके पास?
टैब यूज कर रहा हूँ।
तो टैब में कहीं व्हाइट बोर्ड नहीं दिख रहा है आपको नीचे? जहाँ
व्हाइट
पे
बोर्ड।
ऑडियो है, वीडियो है,
हाँ हाँ,
पार्टिसिपेंट है।
व्हाइट
हाँ।
बोर्ड
हाँ, व्हाइट बोर्ड से आप करो।
दिख रहा है अब।
हाँ।
You can only use the test of means only if they are homoscedastic. So maybe you can try to look, like try to give some statistical evidence from the data so that they become homoscedastic.
तो हम सिग्मा का टेस्ट कर सकते हैं when means unknown. हम क्या उसको एसटी से डिवाइड करके फिर जो डेटा मुझे मिलेगा उसका मीन का टेस्ट कर सकते हैं.
बात तो एक ही हो गया ना. यू डोंट नो एसडी. If you don't know the population distribution, no? So you don't know all the four parameters, mu1, sigma1, mu2, sigma2. You have to estimate from the given data. Okay, fine. Suppose I say they are homoscedastic. So can you write the test statistic and the distribution, like the test of means? What is the hypothesis?
Hypothesis.
What is mu1 and mu2, and why have you considered such an alternate hypothesis?
Mu1 and mu2 are the means of the distributions, normal distribution they are following, the two populations.
Okay.
And I want to test कि क्लास 1 का मीन क्लास 2 से ज्यादा है. सॉरी, माने mean of the class 1 students marks is greater than mean of the class 2 students marks. So if I reject H naught at some level, that will support that key. Mane, if we reject H naught at some level against H1, when H1 is mu1 greater than mu2, it will support our claim key class 1 students get more marks.
Okay.
ठीक ये हो गया। Then
Are you sure that will be n minus 1?
2 into n minus 1.
Okay.
या नेक्स्ट पेज पे जा सकते हैं।
Yeah, sure. Oh, अच्छा यहाँ से maybe you can just
हाँ
swipe up, I guess. नहीं हो रहा है?
नहीं से
P what?
P2 into n minus 1 degrees of freedom.
Okay. So what will be your test then?
हाँ
What will be your test?
तो सिग्मा स्क्वायर कैंसिल आउट होगा ना, वो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, कहाँ से करें. What do I do? Defined wrong क्या?
So I mean sigma square should gets cancelled, right?
या तो है सिग्मा स्क्वायर,
And why not get cancelled?
हो गया.
See what you define in S1, S2.
Yeah.
If I do this, just cancel sigma square, then what happens? By square n minus 1, then here by sigma square. अब तो हो जाएगा, यहाँ से तो हो जाएगा. यही होगा टेस्ट स्टैटिस्टिक.
No. What is your critical region? What is your test? This can be your test, right?
I cannot go to the next page.
You can rub some things. That won't be a problem.
It's greater than Oliver.
Okay. Yeah. So here's my next question. In trailing to this, suppose instead of saying that this x1 to x20 and y1 to y20 are marks of the same paper of different classes, I say that you take one class and x1 belongs to marks of inference and x2 belongs to yi belongs to marks of say multivariate. So how do you think the test will change, or will it be the same?
Same class for two different subjects.
Sorry? Yeah, two different subject, but
Same class.
the students are same.
Okay. You will follow a bivariate distribution or something.
So how will you model that?
Can I erase the page?
Yeah, sure.
So bivariate case पता नहीं कैसे करते. Sir,
Okay. Fine, just have go through this once. One last question from my side. So instead of considering say X and Y, suppose I say that you only have the marks in inference of 20 students, and my claim is that the average, or yeah, like on an average, the score will be greater than 60. That's my claim. So, but you cannot use normality. What will you do?
4 greater than 50.
Yeah, 50, 60, anything.
Out of 100 or
Yeah, out of 100. Chalo. But you cannot use normality.
yeah.
What makes you think of median?
Median means xi half ke below xi half we have half of the scores, and greater than xi half we have another half of the scores.
Yes, but why you are starting with median?
On an average score, it's
Suppose your data has all the 20 marks between 80 to 100 range. Do you think that median is 50?
so my taste would be ki xi half greater than 50. So if greater than 50,
Okay, let's try.
no, no. What happens? Market disturbance.
Try to write the distribution in terms of, say, some median delta. Okay, just have a look on non-parametric and the mean test and variance test once before your interview. Ananda, can you take over?
Yeah, sure. Agnish, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? Okay, good.
Yep.
So please, I think you can clean the board. Agnish, please clean the board. Hello. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Can you please clean the board? Actually, it will help you to write down things.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, leave it. Suppose now let's start. Okay. Actually,
Sure,
I
sir.
am saying to clean the board. Actually, that will help you to write down.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay. Good. So, so you have said that you love to do mathematics. So, which part you are comfortable most?
Vector space, etc.
That means algebra, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Algebra. Okay. What is vector space?
That is set of elements
What is
that are
vector
closed.
space?
Set of elements that are closed under addition and multiplication of.
So, okay. Suppose I am collecting all the polynomials that have degree 25. Okay. Will that be a
Okay.
vector space?
All polynomials of degree 25.
Yes.
No, sir, because if we say two polynomials of degree 25 and subtract them, then it will be at most 24. Mane, if coefficients are same. Say some
Okay, I understand. Okay.
20
Suppose I
plus
am
some
collecting all the vectors, all the polynomials that have degree 1 to 25. Will that be a vector space?
1 to 25. No, sir, it will be. No. We
Why?
should include the 0.
Okay, it will include the zero. Good. So suppose uh, do you know that when um, do you know the dimension of any vector space? Have you heard of?
Just give me some idea.
You don't know the dimension of a vector space, dimension.
How I know something of this kind. Ki if say a vector be A, B, C, D, or say D can be represented as a linear combination of A, B, C, and ABC are linearly independent, then dimension is 3. That much.
Okay, you are saying something called linearly independent. Okay, suppose I am giving you a triplet. Can you tell me whether it is a linearly independent or not?
Yes, sir. Say
Okay, so suppose the triplet is sine square x, sine square
sine
theta, tan square theta, and cos square theta.
duplet.
No, triplet. There is a tan square theta.
Ah, okay.
And theta is in between 0 to pi by 2.
Dimension will be 1.
Why? I mean,
If I
you are saying
if
they are
I
linearly independent or not?
they are not linearly independent,
Why?
because sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. We know that. So cos square theta can be represented as 1 minus sine square theta. Sine square theta and
So,
cos square theta are not linearly independent.
so, but there is a tan square theta.
Tan square theta is ratio of these two. So if I know sine square theta only, I know the full thing.
Okay, good. So suppose I am giving you 2 cross 2 matrix. Write down the elements of that.
Yes, sir. Say
Matrix 2 cross 2 is 1, 4, 2, 3. I am talking about row wise.
am I written correct?
So, yeah. Good. What is the
Sir.
dimension of this matrix?
Dimension of the matrix means these
This is
elements
the
or
matrix. Okay, the
or
rank of
element
the
of
matrix is yeah. Rank.
the
Rank.
rank.
You know rank of a matrix.
Rank is some dimension of column space. So
What is column space?
column space is the vector space constructed by the taking the linear combinations of all the columns.
Then
Then these two columns are linearly independent. So rank will be 2
how do you say that?
because one column is 1, 2 and the second is 4, 3. If I do this lambda 1 times 1, 2 plus 4, 3 equal to 0.
Okay, I understand. Okay. Now, can you evaluate term?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I agree.
From here,
Okay,
lambda
agree.
1 and lambda 2 both
Okay,
0.
I understand, Agnish. So, I understand.
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay. So, can you evaluate a thing? I'm telling you, we just write down. A to the power 5
E to the power 5.
minus A, matrix A. A. Matrix A. A to the power 5
Ah.
minus 4 A to the power 4
Then
minus 7 A cube plus 11 A square minus A minus 10.
minus 10.
Equals to alpha A plus beta I. I is
Beta
identity
I.
matrix of order 4 plus 4. 2 plus 2. Okay.
Okay.
Can you tell me what will be the value of alpha and beta? I mean,
A,
even if
A,
you
A
can
is which
write
matrix?
down in a form of A is that matrix, and if I am asking you, is it possible to write down this left hand side in terms of some A linear combination of A and the matrix I? Will that be possible? If it is possible, what will be the coefficient? Do you understand my question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So,
Agnish, please keep talking. What is your plan?
yes, sir. Please, some time. What is going to this? एक क्या ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए। सर सर
क्या हो गया, उसका नेटवर्क इशू था क्या? ओके। अब व्हाइट बोर्ड शेयर करो तो हो रहा है ऐसे ही?
हाँ
होगा?
हाँ, होस्ट दीजिए।
नहीं, ऐसे ही हो जाएगा। आप व्हाइट बोर्ड शेयर करो। व्हाइट बोर्ड पे
कुछ भी
आप क्लिक करो।
नहीं हो रहा है।
अच्छा, नहीं हो रहा? पता नहीं क्या इश्यू हो गया। कोई बात नहीं। पहले तुम
नो।
लोगों को होस्ट नहीं बनाया
ओ,
था।
ओके, आ रहा है व्हाइट बोर्ड। दिख रहा है सर?
हाँ।
ओके, यही मिल रहा है। वाह, और उन्नोदा है यहाँ पर?
Hello, hello, hello. Am I
हेलो,
audible?
यस सर।
Hello, hello. Am I audible? Oh, okay, okay. Sorry, I just mute myself and keep talking. Oh, sorry. So, yeah,
I
you.
also got disconnected, sir.
Ha. Okay. So,
Can you just
what do
tell
you
the
think
question
about
again?
that problem? Can you write down here from here? That will be very much useful.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead.
a power 5. Can you repeat the question?
Okay, power 5 minus 4a to the power 4 minus 7a cube plus 11a square minus a minus 10 equals to alpha a plus beta I. I is order of 2 plus 2. First one is, and a is 1423. I think
Now, if, sir, a square equal to a occurs, then we know कि
no. You have a A matrix, right? You have a A matrix.
okay,
Yeah, please.
1, 4, 2, 3.
1, 4. Yeah, for that, is it the square equals to 8? Have you calculated that? Have you checked whether it is true or not?
No, it's not a square.
Then how do you do this? How do you say that is square equals to 8 and something equal to?
Say, in the left side we have a 5-degree polynomial, or in the right hand side we have a 1-degree polynomial. So 1-degree polynomial has at most 1 roots. So in the left side we
So
have 5.
do you know anything called characteristic equation?
Yes, sir. वही sir.
Yeah, please. Do you know this?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is that?
Characteristic polynomial is a polynomial whose roots are the eigenvalues of that matrix.
What is eigenvalue?
Eigenvalue का definition.
What do you mean by eigenvalue?
Say you have some matrix A, and if it can be written as in the form A, B, C, say it is 3 cross 3, and the rest of the elements are 0, then A, B, C are the eigenvalues.
Okay, so how do you get the suppose this is a 2 cross 2 matrix here. How do you get that A, B, C? I mean A, B, of course. You cannot have the C. How do you get that A, B?
Can we use the formula that the product of the eigenvalues is the determinant and sum of the eigenvalues is the trace?
I mean, from where did you get this formula? Do you know something called Kelly-Hamilton theorem?
No, forgot this. I read some.
Okay. Okay. All right. Please. Sir, I am done. If you can, or Somuja, if you can take over. Yeah. I think I'm done. Sir, are you here? Somuja, anyone? Am I audible, Agnish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So I think they are not here. So I have some opinion for you. So if it's not too late, you can go through the things you have learned so far, mainly testing, statistic, points estimation, the inference part. You have said that you are good in the inference part, but you are taking too much time to answer the very simple question. But I would say to just revisit those things, and please algebra, if it is your uh, more stronger part, then please go revisit this thing. This is the very crucial portion in algebra. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that's from my side. Okay, sir is here, sir. You can continue. Okay, I'm done. So
ओके ओके तो आपका रियल एनालिसिस कैसा है?
ऐसे सीक्वेंस तो थोड़ा बहुत सीरीज में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है।
डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस?
हाँ वो ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है पर ठीक है।
ओके, तो ठीक है। तो आप मुझे मीडियन का डिफिनेशन बतलाइए तो क्या होगा?
मीडियन का डेफिनेशन
हम्म,
से आई हैव अ डेटा
मीन्स
देन आई से
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन गिवन है उसके टर्म में।
हाँ ओके, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन। ऐसा कुछ जाइहफ के नीचे हाफ ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड जाइहफ के ऊपर हाफ ऑफ द प्रोबेबिलिटी।
दिस इज राइट, आर यू श्योर?
आई थिंक सो।
क्वांटाइल का डिफिनेशन?
क्वांटाइल ऐसा कुछ है आई गेस। pth quantile if xi p greater than equal to p।
ये मेमोरी लेस प्रॉपर्टी क्या है और इसके कुछ एग्जांपल्स बतलाइए।
memoryless properties say एक सम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चढ़ा then probability that ऐसा कुछ है
ओके,
for some c।
तो कुछ एग्जांपल्स बतला सकते हो जो मेमोरी लेस प्रॉपर्टी को फॉलो करे?
फिर एक्सपोनेंशियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का memoryless।
इसके अलावा?
इसके अलावा पता नहीं सर।
ज्योमेट्रिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ना?
हाँ हाँ जियोमेट्रिक का
ओके,
जियोमेट्रिक के वो नेगेटिव बाइनोमियल।
वो मार्कोव इनइक्वालिटी और चेबिशेव इनइक्वालिटी क्या है? मार्कोव इनइक्वालिटी Write the definition of Markov inequality. Write proper definition, everything.
Oh, okay.
You have written probability of x greater than 0 equal to 1. That means
X takes positive values.
क्या 0 नहीं हो सकता है? नॉन नेगेटिव नहीं हो सकता है क्या? 0 एंड पॉजिटिव. x भी नॉन नेगेटिव रैंडम वेरिएबल ना.
हाँ, 0 के लिए तो हो जाएगा, तो इक्वलिटी है.
तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 इक्वल टू 1 होगा ना. एंड चेबीशेव इनइक्वालिटी. Can you prove it? Probability of x greater than a less than equal to expectation of x upon a.
Can try. डिस्क्रीट पकड़ के कर रहे हैं ना.
नहीं, आप जैसे कर सको कंटिन्यूअस के केस में करो, इजीली हो जाएगा it.
Equal to say a by a. A is the lower bound. Yes, sir.
ओके फाइन। ओके तो आप एक बार ना ये क्वांटाइल मीडियन का डिफिनीशन देख लेना, आपने गलत लिखा है, आप श्योर नहीं है, ठीक है ना। आपने जो लिखा है वो कॉन्टिन्यूअस का केस लिखा है फर्स्ट मीडियन में। वो होता है 1/2 लेस देन इक्वल टू कैपिटल एफ ऑफ एक्स लेस देन इक्वल टू पी, सॉरी 1/2 प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी एट एक्स इक्वल टू ए, या एक्स
Yes,
इक्वल
sir.
टू एक्स ना, हाँ एक्स इक्वल टू ए। फॉर क्वांटाइल रिप्लेस 1/2 बाई पी। ओके
Yes, sir.
ओके तो ठीक है। और वही है, आप थोड़ा एक बार ग्रुप डिस्कशन करो, ठीक है, किसी पैनल के साथ ज्वाइन करो आपस में, और जो भी ग्रुप में जा रहा है आप उसको एक बार ध्यान दो। बाकी सब बेहतर है लेकिन थोड़ा स्लो हो, ठीक है ना। तो वो चीजें हो सकता है कि टाइप पर लिख रहे हैं इसलिए भी आप स्लो हो, एक रीजन ये भी हो सकता है, आप फैमिलियर नहीं है, तो कोई इशू नहीं है, ठीक है ना, मेरे अकॉर्डिंग तो सब ठीक है। तो बाकी सब बेहतर है, चीजों को रिवाइज करो थोड़ा डीपली
रिवीजन
कंसेप्ट।
बहुत दिन से हो नहीं पाया है, यही प्रॉब्लम है।
नहीं तो करो, क्योंकि आईएसआई जाना है तो
हाँ,
बेहतर तो
ठीक।
करना पड़ेगा, इस बार कंपटीशन भी टफ है, ठीक है। क्योंकि पीएसएम
हाँ
पीएसबी
सर।
में सबने अच्छा स्कोर किया है, तो सब कुछ डिपेंड करता है आपके इंटरव्यू पर। तो कोशिश करो कि बेहतर जाए और रिलैक्स रहो, जितना आ रहा है आराम आराम से करो, वो आपको हिंट करेंगे, उसके आगे आपको प्रोसीड करना एटलीस्ट आना चाहिए, ठीक है ना। तो वो
ठीक है
चीजें
सर।
जब आप डिफिनीशन के टच में रहोगे तो ही आप प्रोसीड कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज मुश्किल होगा, कनेक्ट करना मुश्किल होगा। वो हिंट भी देंगे तो आप उसको कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाओगे, ठीक है ना। तो फिर वो ज्यादा देर तक इंटरव्यू लेंगे नहीं आपका, जब आप कनेक्ट ही नहीं कर पाओगे तो थोड़ा चीजों को टच में रहो तो ज्यादा बेहतर है, ठीक है ना। बाकी चलो बेस्ट ऑफ लक, और ग्रुप में जो क्वेश्चन जा रहा है उसको फॉलो करो, ठीक है।
ठीक है सर।
अच्छा।